Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Wi-Fi dash cams that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Mini Dash Cam Full HD 1080p car camera with 150 degrees wide angle with the Blue Sky CB1W. You'll own one of the best Wi-Fi dash cams. It will record everything that is happening inside your vehicle. Besides, it's small in size and uses marginal space. Also, lightweight, handling, and carrying it is convenient. It is easy to position the product several points and it will work fine. This is because of the wide angle of view that comes with the product. It captures the image in high quality and you'll enjoy sharp and blur-free videos. This is because the dashcam can support up to 1080p. The 360-degree rotation allows you to capture a larger location. Besides, it's very easy to adjust thanks to the excellent tilting. The night vision mode is also outstanding and you also get good app control. It can be used and is compatible with iOS and also Android devices, hence work great with most smartphones. And thanks to the G-Sense, the camera starts recording after an impact. Moving on at number 4, we have the extra wide dashcam with LCD screen and voice control. If you want a dashcam that is reliable and simple to operate, the Garmin Dashcam 66W should be perfect. It is excellent for auto usage and works well. Installing it also very easy and requires no special tools. In addition to that, with all you need, hence keeps costs low. It's additionally among the most pocket-friendly pieces available despite its superior quality. Furthermore, it is portable and takes up small area. Also, it's less noticeable thanks to its discreet nature. It looks good in several scenarios and the high resolution makes certain the pictures are clear. Identifying an object is consequently much easier. The 2-inch LCD screen relays the images clearly and also doesn't experience blurs or distortion. It's also colorful and less susceptible to glare or reflections. The 180-degree field of view is extra wide and works great with the 1440p resolution. You also get functional and effective voice control. And for decent storage of the contents, it supports up to 8 GB. At number 3, we have the 4K UHD Wi-Fi car dashcam with 170 degrees wide-angle Rexing V1 3rd generation also ranks as one of the best Wi-Fi dashcams. Consumers praise its easy design as well as portable size. This makes installation as well as the use a straightforward process. It takes a few minutes to fit and does not require any special tools. Moreover, it stays firm even in bumpy rides or rough terrains. It includes a wide-angle lens that covers up to 170 degrees. The swivel angle is also good, hence you won't require to keep altering it the time. The 2160p at 24 fps records the pictures in top-notch. This guarantees you of top quality and clearness and easy identification. The night vision setting is equally good and so is the low-profile design that makes it more discreet. Connecting to other devices is very quick because of the good quality built-in Wi-Fi. The item works well in pairs with iOS and Android devices. Furthermore, you also get a micro USB and it supports up to 256 GB storage. At number 2, we have the Dashcam Wi-Fi car camera. Mounting this dashcam is easy and works well from different points. You also get clear directions inside the pack. It's small to space and also lightweight. And like other top picks, it's also discreet. The unit has a great picture capturing thanks to the 170-degree wide angle of viewing. It additionally supports up to a resolution of 1296p. With this kind of quality and resolution, you will get premium, crisp, and clear images. This makes determining the subject or objects much easier. We love the built-in G sensor that activates recording upon sensing an impact or accident. Also, you will feel at ease even when you need to record at night. This is because the item also come with night vision feature that allows you to do so while still maintain good quality image. It can connect to most devices and is compatible with Android and iOS. And for easy use, you also get a nice and colorful 1.50-inch LCD screen. And finally at number 1, we have the dashcam with built-in Wi-Fi with the best Wi-Fi dashcam like this unit by Rove. Getting what you want to see in your car is very convenient. And similar to most options in this reviewing list, this dashcam is a compact piece. It requires minimal space and is also lightweight. Therefore, handling and carrying it is easier. We also love the elegant design as it seems to fit with almost every setting. And as it is so small, sometimes you don't even know that it is there. It can be placed in many points and it will still work okay. This is owing to its wide angle of view, 150 degrees. It captures and relays the images in very high quality. The pictures will be sharp, clary, and free of blurs or waviness. This is thanks to a very high definition of 2160p resolution. Furthermore, the picture quality is way better than most of its rivals. And just like the daytime images, the night vision mode is also impressive. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity is iOS and Android compatible. Therefore, you can view and control the cam via your phone. In addition, it also comes with GPS for easier navigation and location. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.